Hey YouTube, it's Sean. I'm making a much needed tool, guys. I really need this tool. And I got a piece of, what I got is 1/2 inch brass. It's 1/2 inch ID. Dropped it. Oh, sorry about that, guys. 1/2 inch ID inside diameter. And I got 2 pieces of wooden dowel, which I glued together in the center because I didn't have a drill bit that's 1/2 inch that long. Then I got a little insert in the back of this that I turned out of brass so that I could put the rod down through here, through the hole there. Alright, and then I put a brass washer on there, on the face. And I just soldered it in, and we'll clean all that up as we go. So, it's all ready. It's all prepped. I'm going to go mount it on the lathe right now. I can't show you the turning of this because I don't have a good tripod to put in the shop and set you guys up on. The one that I ordered from China turned out to be junk, complete garbage, so I'm going to have to get me a good tripod. Still looking, guys, still looking. But anyway, beside the point, we're going to go make this, and we'll keep you informed on step by step on how we did. So hang on. I'll be right back. Alright folks, we got our handle. I took the handle off and coated it with some, put some varnish on it. And then I coated it with polyurethane. And I got it on this coat hanger and it's drying out. So, it came out pretty good. Not too bad. Probably put a few more coats on it. Alright. So I'm going to let it hang out here overnight out here and hang out with the air compressor and just hang there. Alright. So now I'm going to go polish the brass portion, and we'll bring you back. Alright folks, we got it kind of polished up. Doesn't really matter. I just wanted it to not be all scratched up. Excuse me, have scratches in it, you know, hugely. But it's going to get that way anyways. And we made a plug for the end of it out of brass, soldered it up. Put a brass washer there. So far, we have less than $10 in this. Less than $10. Yep, and that's with everything. And we're gonna have a handle for it, which I have already. No problem. Alright, so let's put it together. The stainless steel shaft here was $4. This tube was three and some change, and then $1.85 for this, and then I have the wood and all the. We're less than $10 in the whole project. And then the magnets, you can get a whole bunch of those on eBay, and they're shipped over from China or there, and you can get a whole lot of them for $2-3. So yeah, and I'm just using these. Where are they? They're 1/2 inch. They're just 1/2 inch recessed magnets. That's what I'm using. You don't need any more than that, and this is a 1/2 inch tube, and they just slide in that tube real easily. Alright, so let's put it together. Show you what we got. Alright folks, this is the tool we came up with, you know. That's the final. That's what we made. Came out real good. I made it too fancy. But I put a knob on the end there. But it works. Let's find out. It's a little too fancy for what it is, but that's alright. Alright, so what we're going to do, I hope you can see. Alright, so got your tool. There's your metal. All over the ways, all over everything. And you can gather all your crap up. All your swarf. And then you pull your handle. And it disappears. I'm limited on room here, guys. Really limited. I gotta find a way to bring you guys in here where you can see. But it brings up a lot of swarf, and then you just drop it in the pan. And he's gone. Boy, I just cleaned this lathe. Just cleaned it, and it's ready to go again. But no, it picks up a lot of stuff at once, too. And then all you got to do is drop it in the pan. And it's ready to go for the next roll. But that's what I made, because I needed one. Clean this, cleaning the lathe up, it makes it a whole lot easier. Yeah. I don't really like to use magnets on the lathe, but in this case, it really makes it a whole lot easier. The only thing I like, I mean, there's exceptions for magnets, and I think this is probably one of them. You know, if you don't want to hold a magnet for a long periods of time on your ways and stuff, but for this, that's fine. I don't see a problem with it. It picks up the junk, get the magnet away from it, and it's done. Let's reach down here in the back. And I'm telling you, there is a lot of stuff back there. Amazing amounts. And this just makes it a whole lot easier to clean up. But that's the tool we made, guys. Simple and effective, and it works good. So, thanks for watching. Love you all. Thumbs up. Bye-bye.